Hey guys, this is Lawai. You're watching Roots and Rhymes, and today I'm showing you how to tie a quick and easy ridgeline with rapid deployment. Let's get into it. So get this, with just a few pieces of paracord and 2 anchors, you can have a shelter up in under 2 minutes. And the craziest part is most people don't know the knots that make it possible. And trust me, when the wind picks up, their tarp doesn't stand a chance. Let me show you the smart way to set this up. All you need are 2 solid anchor points. Trees work perfectly. Start with a bowline knot. It's strong, it doesn't slip, and it's perfect for securing your ridgeline to the first anchor. Wrap the bowline around your tree and lock it in with a toggle, like a stick or a tent stake. If you'd rather, you can just run your ridgeline straight through the bowline. Your choice. Now, take the ridgeline to your second anchor. On this side, tie a slip knot and make sure the working or dirty side is facing your first anchor. That's key for keeping tension in the next step. So with the slip knot in place, use a trucker's hitch as a pulley system to crank real tension into the ridgeline. Feed the cord back through the slip knot loop to make a round turn, then pull back. As it rolls over on itself, that's where you get the kind of tension that makes your tarp storm ready. Finish it off with a half hitch on a bite. Now, let's talk Prusik knots. They're great because you can slide them up and down your ridgeline, but once there's tension, they lock in. You can secure them with a toggle through your tarp's grommets, or if you want a more permanent setup like I have, tie the Prusik directly onto your ridgeline. Run your paracord through the grommet and then tie the 2 ends together with a square knot. That way, your tarp is always fixed to the ridgeline, ready to go every time you set up. And so this is how I save time. My ridgeline is always prepped before I even head into the woods. One end already has my bowline tied, and all my tarp grommets are pre-rigged with Prusiks and square knots. So when I get out there, all I do is toggle the bowline to my first tree, tie a slip knot on the other side, crank it down with a trucker's hitch, secure it with a rolling hitch, and finish with a half hitch on a bite. And my shelter is done in literally seconds. I've tested this setup in the field plenty of times now, and I can tell you guys it is rock steady. Once it's up, it's storm tight and it's just not gonna budge. And I highly recommend you learn and practice these knots before you actually head out, because when it starts pouring rain, you want them engraved in your mind, because fumbling around means you're getting soaked, you're getting frustrated. It's just a situation you want to avoid. And the best part of the whole system is taking it down is just as easy as setting it up. You pop the toggles out, you undo the hitch, and the whole ridgeline just comes apart in seconds. So here's a bonus tip to save time and headaches when packing up your tarp. Lay it flat on the ground with the grommets facing up. Grab the middle of the left side with your left hand, then walk over and grab the middle of the right side with your right hand. Bring both sides together in one hand, then reach down with your free hand to the center of the tarp. Step back, give it a pull, and you'll see the tarp neatly fold over itself a few times. So if you're into camping, bug out bags, or you just want to shave some serious time off of your shelter setup, try out this system. And hey, if this was helpful to you in any way, drop a like, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next video. And last but not least, I'll see you in the woods.